menace is an existential threat to the people of this region and our young people. I want those young leaders first, before you can talk of generational change, first come and join me. We save that generation you are talking about. Katiguo. Deure goko gitaro giki maniguo tukomeirwo ni thina uyu wa joy. Nyumba itu ni guthire rathira. Ate na mwa anake ate marathie kwariririo ria makana ne ha mwaka 2032. Mukana ne ha muthuritwo no na arware guthira marathira. Ne gwenda kwira atongoria itu mamenyerere muno. We face an enemy as a region. And this enemy is real. You can see. Look at here. Murore haha. Mujire. Kana nyumba tikuthire rathira. Niguthire rathira ka tikuthire rathira. We have a battle ahead to be able to face the courts and tell them stop it. To tell the police no, it cannot be. To tell our chiefs, please, you must wake up. To deal with the merchants of death. That is a real question in this region today. And I stand here as your leader. I can tell you with certainty, this is our biggest threat as a region. And I want to ask all leaders from this area. And Mheshimiwa Alice Wahome, I want to thank you for coming in solidarity with our people. PS Mudhoni, asante for kufika. Mase Wajau, asante. We must join hearts together. Elected leaders, governors, those in the executive, because the region is a real threat to be extinct. Please, let us focus. This is a challenge in this region. Other things can come later. But for where I stand, from what I see, if we don't work together, and that is why I've said I want the chiefs to come. We have a conversation. We agree. And I'll call Akina Alice Wahome and other leaders to come and talk to our chiefs as mothers and tell them it cannot be. It cannot be. Mimi nikimalizia niseme tumekuwa na shida ya kahawa, tumejaribu na rais na inaanza kuingia laini. We were in cabinet on Wednesday, and the cabinet under the chairmanship of the president directed ya kwamba wakulima wa kahawa waletewe bolea ya 2,500 kwa society ama kwa factory wachukulie hapo. Number 2, we are compiling all the debts ya wakulima ya kahawa so that we can look at how as a government we shall help our farmers. Mambo ya majani chai tunaendelea kuangalia. Last time we had a good bonus, we expect even a better bonus this year. Lakini hiyo mambo yote tunafanya bila vijana ya kufanya kazi, iko kazi hapo. I want to thank the church for studying with our people. And I want to ask MCAs pia, nitakutana na hawa. The way Alice Wahome amesema, solution ya hii maneno ni sheria. The County Assembly of Nyandarua waliweka sheria nzuri sana. I want to ask the Speaker Muteti and the MCAs ya Kirinyaga. Na nitaita MCAs wote wa Mlima Kenya, so that we fast track these laws, so that we have heavy penalties for people who sell poison, for people who manufacture poison. Again, the President has instructed me to convene a meeting of the Ministry of the National Treasury, Interior, Trade and Investment, KRA, Counterfeit Authority, KEBS, so that we discuss about ethanol and we discuss about the manufacturing of second generation brews. Kwa hivyo kasi itaendelea. Netoiguitha nyarwa nyumba itu. Tuthie na mbere. Tuhurane na uhoro uyu. Na nie wona mathana manja gukungorania. Mutikaiguire mundu tha. Mundu wothe urenda andu makome haha, ucio ti mundu mwega. Mwaigua cibwa buto mutigatwire ati no wanyu. Mukamuria andu aria makomete haria ri magikoma haria wariku. Ni twaiguithania. Na ni we tigai ni mukuigua. Kwenda gukiria hau. Kwenda gukiria hau. Joke wa muico ngirikia njuge. Andu a nyumba itu mwe guku. Mwe guku. Kwenda kugora ndaugire Kiambu na njokere na kuria kungi. Nyumba eno itu hinya witu ni urumwe witu. Twaturaga tene tugayanagio tutanohiga tukorera. Mwaka wa 1992 tukigayanio. Andu a Kirinyaga na Nyeri na Laikipia na Meru na Embu na Naikuru makiuma kibake thutha. Andu a Murang'a na Kiambu makiuma mativa thutha tukiurira. Mwaka wa 1997 tugika uguo amwe makiuma Ngiru thutha angi kibake tukiurira. Mwaka wa 2002 tukiuhiga tukiuga tutikagayanio ringi turiciraga kimwe kuma rira twohigire tutiri twauma thirikari-ini. Mwaka uyu urokire wa 2022 turanyitana na nyumba turathura William Ruto na Rigathi wa Gachagua. Riu ni ndironia na kiange makienda kwanja kugania nyumba itu. Ati andu a Murang'a kana kahinda kanyu, Nyeri mwari na kahinda, Kiambu. Riu ngiaria miari iyo ri na mwandu Embu mangiuga atia. Andu a Meru, andu a Naikuru, andu a Laikipia. Macio ni maundu ma kwenda kugania nyumba itu nigetha tuharaganio ta mai matheru. Nyumba eno itu hinya witu no urumwe witu. Na nyumba eno itu eciraga giki. Eciraga giki. Nimukwenda tugayanio. Nimukwenda tugayanio. Tukwenda twaragia kimwe. Na ithuĩ tukwenda nyumba eno itu ithuothe tunyitane thutha wa President William Ruto nigetha maundu ma nyumba eno itu tukahotaga kurora twina hinya ni undu wa wingi witu na urumwe witu. Na tungika uguo nyumba eno itu maundu mayo marikaraga mari mega hindi ciothe. Kana ngwenda kwira atongoria itu ya anini aria hi matoi history ya thina uria tuonire riria twagayukanaga makahoyaga kirira kuri athuri tondu wanaruona ri matige kurugaruga tondu matiui morie merwo nyumba eno itu riria yagayanagio maundu maitu mari moru muno. Kuma riria twohigire tukinyitana maundu maitu makiagira na tukwenda maundu maitu maikare mari mega hindi ciothe. Koguo nie ndikwenda gukiria kuma hau. Ndamaka muno ati andu aya me haha mundu na miaka minini muno ni 38. Hena wa miaka 73 anywete njohi. Riu mundu wa miaka 73 e njohi-ini. Ukiena siliste kindu. Riu ri tumete riu kuri anake riu ni cucu na guka. No horo uyu ti uhoro muhuthu. Nitukwenda PS witu wa public health ututumire psychologist na counseling moke mateithie family ici mamaririe tondu ni makwenda kwaririo nigetha maciria mao mahorere na mahota gwitikira uria maundu maikarite nigetha tuhote guthie na mbere. Na joke njuge governor ukihinga ba uririkane wines and spirit ona nicio njuru nginya gukira ba. Katiguo acio neo marenderia nginya ciana cia cukuru tumenyore. Na ni andu oru tuthuma na njuge atiriri thoya nyumba eno itu no andu a nyumba itu thumu ucio rurendio ni andu kuma kundu kungi